Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking a quality VPN that explicitly supports streaming. You want speed and reliable unblocking. Once selected, subscribe and install the VPN app on the device you use for YouTube TV. Make sure you log into the VPN and choose a server located in the same region as your YouTube TV account to minimize geo-blocking issues. This reduces latency and avoids region mismatch when you proceed to the app. Once connected to the regional VPN server, make sure your network is stable. Use wired or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for best results. Enable the VPN kill switch so the connection won't leak your real location, and change DNS inside the app or device if that option is available to prevent detection. After that, clear the YouTube TV app cache or browser cookies and verify the public IP matches the VPN region. This avoids playback blocks when you launch. Now open YouTube TV and sign in. You should see local channels and be able to stream. If playback shows a location error, switch to a different server in the same region and reconnect, because some servers are blacklisted. Make sure to disable IPv6 on your device if leaks persist, restart the app or device, and reinstall the YouTube TV app only if problems continue. These steps usually clear session or DNS issues and restore normal streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.